Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by booting from the Windows USB and choosing Repair Your Computer. Once done, enter Troubleshoot and select Command Prompt so you can run repair tools directly. Make sure to identify the Windows partition letter with disk part and list volume. This prevents writing to the wrong drive. You'll need admin access in the recovery environment and patience for commands to finish. This setup gets you to the actual repair steps quickly. You will now repair disks and the boot configuration. First, run chkdsk on the Windows volume to repair file system errors. This prevents repeated boot failures. Next, run bootrec/fixember and /fixboot to restore the master boot record and boot sector. Then use bootrec/scanos and /rebuild to recreate the BCD store. If bootrec reports access denied, use bcdboot to copy boot files to the system partition and recreate the BCD entries. You're in the final phase. Exit command prompt, remove the USB, and restart the PC to test whether Windows boots. If it still fails, return to recovery and try system restore or reset this PC while keeping files to restore system state. Make sure to rerun chkdsk and bootrec if needed. Failing hardware can mimic this error, so consider cloning the disk and testing on another machine. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs repeat, verify Smart Status and replace the drive before reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.